Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can upload Bank of America statement to QuickBooks. So let's jump right in. To upload your Bank of America statement to QuickBooks, begin by logging into your Bank of America account through their official website. After logging in, go to the Statements and Documents section and find the statement you'd like to upload. Make sure to download it in a QuickBooks compatible format like QBO or CSV. Once the file is saved to your computer, open your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Banking or Transactions tab and look for an option such as Upload from File or Import Transactions. Click on it, then select the account where you want to upload the statement. Locate and upload the file you just downloaded. QuickBooks will then process the file, allowing you to review, categorize, and match each transaction. Once done, the data will be successfully added to your QuickBooks records, helping you keep your financials organized and up to date.